Hello and a very warm welcome to our channel, your trusted guide to living a healthy and vibrant life after 65. Anyone who has ever experienced a kidney stone or knows someone who has can tell you that it is one of the most painful conditions a person can endure. It's a health issue that we all want to avoid. And thankfully, there are simple, natural steps we can take to significantly lower our risk. The title of our video is How Drinking Hot Lemon Water Stops Kidney Stones. Now, stops is a very powerful word. While no single food can offer a 100% guarantee, a huge body of scientific research shows that one simple, daily habit can be incredibly effective at helping to reduce the risk of forming the most common type of kidney stones, and may even help prevent existing small stones from growing larger. Today, we are going to squeeze all the truth out of this topic. We'll explore the science behind the simple ritual, why it works, how to do it correctly, and the important mistakes to avoid. Before we dive in, our essential reminder: this information is for educational purposes. Kidney stones are a serious medical condition. Before you make any significant changes to your diet, especially if you have a history of kidney stones or any kidney-related health issues, it is absolutely crucial to have a conversation with your doctor or a urologist. First, what exactly are these painful little objects? Kidney stones are hard deposits made of minerals and salts that form inside your kidneys. Your kidneys act as your body's master filter, removing waste and excess fluid from your blood to create urine. Sometimes, when your urine has a high concentration of certain waste products, like calcium, oxalate, or uric acid, and not enough fluid to dilute them, these minerals can crystallize and stick together. Think of how sugar crystals can form in a jar of honey that has been sitting for a long time. It's a similar process. These tiny crystals can grow over time into a solid stone, which can be as small as a grain of sand or, in some cases, much larger. The immense pain of a kidney stone usually occurs when it tries to pass from the kidney down the narrow tubes to the bladder. The most common type of kidney stone by far, accounting for about 80% of all cases, is the calcium oxalate stone. This is important because the simple habit we're discussing today is specifically effective against this type. So what is the secret weapon in a simple glass of lemon water? Many people guess it's the vitamin C or the general acidity of the lemon. While lemons are full of vitamin C, that's not the star of the show when it comes to kidney stones. The true hero in this story is a natural compound called citrate. Lemons and limes have the highest concentration of this powerful, stone-fighting substance of any citrus fruit. When you drink lemon water, this citrate is absorbed into your body and eventually excreted into your urine, and it's in the urine where it performs its two amazing protective actions. It fundamentally changes the chemistry of your urine, making it a much less friendly environment for calcium oxalate stones. So how does this citrate work its magic once it reaches your kidneys? It fights stones in two distinct and scientifically proven ways. One, it acts as a calcium blocker. Calcium oxalate stones form when calcium binds with another compound called oxalate in the urine. Think of them as two dance partners looking to pair up. Citrate cleverly intervenes. It's a more attractive dance partner for calcium. So, when citrate is present in the urine, it binds with the calcium first, forming a compound that is easily dissolved and flushed out. The calcium is too busy dancing with the citrate to ever pair up with the oxalate, so the stone-forming process is stopped before it can even begin. 2, it acts as a crystal smoother. What if you already have tiny, microscopic calcium oxalate crystals in your kidneys? Citrate can help here too. It can bind to the surface of these existing crystals. This action does two things. It makes it harder for the crystals to stick together to form a larger stone, and it makes their surfaces smoother, which may make them easier to pass without causing pain. Our video title specifies hot lemon water. So, does the temperature of the water make a difference? From a purely chemical standpoint, the answer is no. The citrate from the lemon juice is the active ingredient, and it works just as well whether the water is hot, cold, or room temperature. However, from a practical, habit-forming standpoint, the temperature can make a big difference. Many people find that starting their day with a warm, soothing beverage is a comforting and pleasant ritual. On a hot summer afternoon, you might prefer a cool, refreshing glass of lemon water. The most important thing is that you drink it consistently. If making it a warm, morning ritual helps you to remember to do it every day, then hot lemon water is absolutely the best choice for you. The key is adherence, so choose the temperature that you enjoy the most. Incorporating this into your day is incredibly simple. Here's a practical guide to do it safely and effectively. 1. The recipe. All you need is half of a fresh lemon and a glass of water. Squeeze the juice from half a lemon into about 250 milliliters or 1 cup of warm water. It's important that the water is warm, not boiling, as boiling water can destroy some of the beneficial compounds. 2. The timing. The best way to make this a habit is to link it to an existing routine. Many people find that drinking it first thing in the morning, about 15 to 30 minutes before breakfast, is a great way to start their day. 3. A critical dental health tip. This is very important. Lemon juice is acidic, and frequent exposure to acid can soften and erode your tooth enamel. To protect your teeth, you should always drink your lemon water through a straw. After you've finished, rinse your mouth with a swirl of plain water. And finally, wait at least 30 minutes before brushing your teeth, as brushing immediately after an acidic drink can cause more damage to the softened enamel. Let's address a few common questions and misconceptions about this simple remedy. Myth: any fruit juice will do, I'll just drink more orange juice. Fact: while orange juice does contain some citrate, lemons and limes contain the highest concentration by far. Furthermore, orange juice is much higher in sugar and calories, which can have other health consequences. For fighting stones, lemon is the clear winner. And you should be cautious with grapefruit juice, as it is known to interfere with many common medications. Myth: bottled lemon juice from the store is just as good. Fact: fresh is always best. Studies have shown that freshly squeezed lemon juice has significantly higher levels of active citrate than many reconstituted or from concentrate bottled juices. Plus, bottled juices often contain preservatives like sulfites, which some people are sensitive to. Mistake: adding lots of sugar or honey. Fact: adding sugar to your lemon water turns a healthy habit into a sugary drink. This adds empty calories and can contribute to other health problems that actually increase your risk for kidney stones, like weight gain and diabetes. Enjoy it unsweetened. Let me tell you a quick story about my neighbor, Carl. Carl is a 71-year-old retired gentleman who had his first, and he hopes his last, kidney stone about a year ago. He told me the pain was worse than anything he had ever imagined. His urologist explained that he was a stone former and that his top 2 priorities were to drink more fluids and increase his dietary citrate. Dreading the thought of ever going through that pain again, Carl became very motivated. He adopted the warm lemon water ritual immediately. Every single morning, without fail, he squeezes half a lemon into a glass of warm water and drinks it through a straw while he reads the morning paper. He says it's become a calming, positive start to his day. It's been over a year, and he has been stone-free. His story isn't proof of a cure, but it's a wonderful example of how a simple, proactive habit can provide peace of mind and significantly reduce your risk. While lemon water is a fantastic tool, it's crucial to understand that it is a supplement to, not a replacement for, good overall hydration. The number one most important thing you can do to prevent all types of kidney stones is to drink enough total fluids throughout the day. The goal is to keep your urine diluted, which makes it much harder for those mineral crystals to form. How do you know if you're drinking enough? The urine color check is your best guide. You should be drinking enough fluids so that your urine is consistently a pale, straw-like yellow. If it's dark yellow or has a strong odor, that's a sign your body needs more fluid. For most people, this means drinking mostly plain water throughout the day. Your morning lemon water is a great start and a powerful boost, but don't stop there. What's your favorite way to stay hydrated, especially during a hot Austrian summer? Share your tips in the comments. Today we've learned that we have a simple, natural, and powerful ally in the fight against the most common type of kidney stones. We've discovered that it's the citrate in lemons that works to prevent calcium oxalate crystals from forming and growing in our kidneys. Let's recap our simple, effective plan. Make a daily ritual of drinking the juice of half a lemon in a glass of warm water. To protect your dental health, always use a straw and rinse with plain water afterward. Remember that this is a powerful boost, but your main goal is still excellent overall hydration with plain water throughout the day. This easy habit is a small investment of time that pays huge dividends in protecting your kidney health and giving you peace of mind. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more practical, science-backed health advice. And for our final, most important reminder, please always discuss any health concerns, especially those related to your kidneys, with your doctor. They can help you create a comprehensive plan that is right for you. Thank you for joining us today, and here's to your health.